Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the image in an editor you know. Make a duplicate layer so you can revert if needed. This preserves the original. Use the selection or type tool to locate the text. Once found, sample the surrounding color and note font size so replacement matches. You need a clean background patch. Make a quick sample with the clone stamp or healing brush to erase the old text. Once done, create a new text layer to add your replacement. You now remove the old text with care. Zoom to 100% and use the clone stamp or healing brush to copy nearby texture and color over the letters. This preserves noise and edges. Sample often and change brush hardness to blend smoothly. Make small, low opacity strokes and feather any selections so transitions look natural. You want no hard edges left where the text was. Once the background looks seamless, make sure to flatten or preserve the cleaned layer before adding new text. You finish by placing the new text. Create a fresh text layer and pick a font, size, and color that match the image. Use sample colors and compare spacing. Apply subtle effects like drop shadow, bevel, or opacity changes to mimic original lighting. Once done, nudge the text into exact position. If things look off, toggle layer blend modes or reduce opacity and reclone small areas to fix halos. Finally, save a layered file for edits and export a flattened PNG or.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.